Magandang hapon po ng Friday, May 15, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, May 15, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 15, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, May 15, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for May 15, 2026, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, May 15, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.